Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get more than 3 videos as you can see per row, right here on the YouTube homepage and on your YouTube channel as well. Basically, first I'm going to go to the Chrome store here. There we go, I just want to go to the first one right here. As you can see, Chrome store. And so up here in the search bar, we're going to type YouTube row, and as you can see here, it's this one right here. Click out extension, and there you go. Close this as well here. And so, as you can see, we have free videos per row here. And so, if I want to increase that, actually going to go up here. As you can see to my extensions here, as you can see, I have YouTube Rowixer. So, click on it. And so basically right here, as you can see, you might have guessed here, you can see videos per row. If I do, for example, 5 here, and I refresh, and as you can see right now, there are 5 videos per row. Now, if you go to your own channel here on YouTube, the videos on your channel, so your videos would also be, in this case, 5 per row. So it does work for your channel as well, in case you're wondering. As you saw here, if I go back up here, go back to YouTube browser. Also some different settings here. You can also do this with posts and also with shorts. Now, this is of course for a channel page, but as I said, where you can also change the videos per row, and up here, it's basically to show the full title of a video. So, for example, the title of a video is way too long. You can see the rest of it right here. If you click this right here, you'll be able to see the full title of the video in question. And see, I also have the hide channel profile option, so you can click this. As you can see, it will actually make appear the actual profile pictures of the YouTubers in question. And so you can also hide that. And you can also auto-adjust the videos per row. So, as you can see, automatically adjust video size on screen resize. Little bonus here, if you go up here, you can also do dark mode right here. For example, something that you can enable. That's just, of course, for within the extension right here. Very easy extension to use. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.